the show. I'm Mr. Potato Monkey. You just call me Potato or Monkey or Potato Monkey. Okay, whatever. I'm awake. I'm gonna do exercise. That's my first thing for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm tired. Well, I'll show you what I'm gonna do as soon as I get off. It's very difficult, very scary, especially in this position. I would show you, but I'm about to. Not smoothest, but not worst. Da 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 da. Here's my friend, sort of, Mr. Tissue Box, not box, bot, with a T. Hi, I'm Mr. Tissue Box. Wonder you what a shirt say? Maybe I will explain it. It says dumb. Well, let's see what he's up to. What are you up to? I'm gonna pick my nose. Okay? So, if you can watch, what nose? What do you mean? You have no nose. What? My nose! I'll handle this problem. Really? How? By doing this. I wonder if he's okay. Oh, I found something. And my elbow's back. My nose! My pretty nose! It's not so pretty. Yahoo! Yay! His nose is gone. Now it's time for him to die. What? He's dead. Time over. Bye.